This is Mr. Patrick, and in this video we took his house from this, then this, and we're building him a completely new house with renovations and custom installations done by LG and Fouani, Nigeria. So when do you think this renovation is going to be done?
Point of correction, this is not renovation, we're actually reconstructing.
This was a massive project for us, and here's how we did it. When Fouani and LG called about working on one more episode of the Changing Lives project, I knew it had to be something bigger than we had ever done. Our search led us from Lagos all the way to the outskirts of Oyo State, and we met him.
Mr. Patrick Moise.
He's an artist that helps train children to learn art, and this includes pencil drawings, paintings, and more for free. This was his way of giving back to his community, which was just beautiful.
I was told I had polio when I was barely 2 years old. I was running around the whole place with other children. According to what my mother told me, suddenly I fell down and I couldn't get up and I started crying. So that was when she realized that something had gone wrong. It actually resulted in total paralysis. But over time, I began to recover gradually. My neck recovered, my 2 hands recovered, then one of the legs recovered. So, remaining this one.
Here's where he currently lives in the outskirts of Oyo State. He got a parcel of land and started living in a tent first before building a shade for himself and his family with just some blocks. And they've been here for 3 years now.
So we've been staying here, we sleep here, we live here. Yeah.
Is that a solar? His only source of electricity is this solar brick and a single panel on the roof. They tried extending their home a bit for additional room, but they haven't been able to do so, and they had to use the toilet out in the open and also cook in the open just beside their house. It's day one, and as always, work commenced immediately. We got the first trailer load of sand, blocks started arriving, and all the digging started. We met up with engineer Chima, who was with us from the start of the Changing Lives project.
I don't know what causes this, rebuild, reorganize, we want to make this house a home. That's what we're here to do anyway.
Yeah. The first thing we're doing is removing the existing roof. The house doesn't have a pillar that holds it, so we're reconstructing the building for the most part.
The door and lintels are bad, so we're going to demolish some part of the house and give it a better look. Because this is a remote village, getting materials and artisans a bit hard. So I'm looking at a period of between 14 days and 16 days at max.
Based on the new plan, we're completing the vision of the house to be a standard home. We're adding a water tank at the back of the house with a submersible pump, so they don't have to fetch water from the well anymore. And this water will flow into the new kitchen and the new restroom for his house. Because we're demolishing the existing structure, the family can't stay here, so we're taking them to a hotel close to where Mr. Patrick's art gallery is located. They'll be there until the reconstruction project is completed. So it's been a very stressful day, but we're about to round up, we're about to come to an end. While some construction works are still going on, because they're taking the roof off as well, we need to take the family to a hotel where they'll be staying for the next 2 weeks of this project to be completed. So that's what we're doing now. All the bags are packed and we're going in a convoy style to the hotel.
It came to me as a surprise. I was already planning, okay, when they start the work, move maybe to the altar, something in the altar until they are done, and then
So the existing structure was brought down and we started laying some blocks on the parts that were ready. While all this was going on with the blocks and the preparation for the new waste pit or sockaway in the home, The water tank just arrived and work progressed side by side. We also got the pump, a trailer load of stones arrived, and steel rods started getting prepared for the house's new pillars. The current state of the building. This is where the living room was previously. Right now it's just like blocks everywhere here. So this is the kitchen right here. There's a balcony out there, and this is the room. This is the extension that they had before that wasn't a room, and that right there is where the toilet is going to be. This is where we've had a lot of progress here with the floor and some of the lintels. The structure of each room started taking shape, and the waste pit is nearly done. We started getting a sense of what would go where and how we might have everything lined up. We also got started with creating all the necessary pillars for this house. On day 5, we kept working on the lintels and increasing the height of the house to meet a high standard home and all of the alignments. We got the person creating all the window frames to come check everything out, and we started plastering the waste pit.
We are at day 9. As you can see, we're making progress. The frame for the roof is done. We're currently doing the plastering for the outside walls and installing the window frames. So I'll just take you through on what we have done so far. So I don't know if you can see from here, the electric guys are actually doing their conduit pipings for the electrical works, the switches, the controls, the junction box, and what have you. While the carpenter has done the roof frames and is currently preparing to start to install the ceilings. We'll start that maybe towards the evening time. We're done with the soccer wheel as well, as you call it, waste pit. We still have the handrails. We're expecting the handrails in 2 days' time here. And then tiling will commence on Friday.
It's day 10 and wow, already the home is starting to look so good on the outside, and all the plastering on the inside is getting done. All the water and waste pipes started getting connected, so it started looking better. The roof then got installed on the 11th day of this project. We finished plastering the living room and the family's new bedroom. The water tank was also fully installed and placed on its mount. This is what the progress looks like so far. We had to take a 7-day break to work on the school we're renovating, which you can watch with the card up above after this video, of course. And here's what the home looks like on the 18th day in 3, 2, 1. Alright guys, it's day 18. The large LG and Fouani truck just arrived, and we got all the high-end furniture and of course high-end appliances from LG. We got a TV console, we got a cooker, a generator, new LG air conditioner, an LG refrigerator, a 43-inch Ultra HD LG TV, the LG washing machine, this beautiful bed frame with shelves, a couch set, and a few other things. And I can't wait to see what the house looks like now. All right, so we finally come to the near conclusion of this project. The house is behind me, it's hidden. The family is also there, hidden. We don't want them to see it yet, so I want to go and get the family now, and they're going to see all the progress that has been done. It's been 3 interesting weeks, and I can't wait to show you guys. I can't wait to show them their new home. The family was so overjoyed when they saw their new home and they couldn't stop singing praises. It was a very emotional moment for every one of us. I'm super grateful to Mr. Patrick and his family for letting us tell this story. I'm super grateful to LG and Fouani Nigeria for these Changing Lives projects, and thanks to you guys for watching.